Hi. So actually, this is our portal for the shop floor. That is in backend process for the manufacturings. But I have transferred this functionality to the portal side. So first of all, once you install the module, we will do the configurations. Means the necessary step we have to do. So setting and users, you have to create a portal user or internal user, no issue. It's work for all users, but the mostly choice is the portals, because to minimize the license cost of the user. So as I have already created this user, and this is a portal user. And the next thing is just assign the group to this user, so the user can see on the portal side. Let me assign the group manufacturings. Okay, see, this one is already a portal user, and let me assign this one already assigned. Okay, so this user can use this functionality on portal side. Let me open the user in new tab. So I will log in with the portal user as I have showed. So let me enter its credentials. Once log in and the user have the group, so he can see this functionality. Okay, so the next thing is let's go here to the manufacturings and configurations and work centers. Assign any work center. Currently I have only one centers to this user. Okay, already assigned to this user. Or you can also do this, like for example, in some cases you have multiple work centers, and you need that some user in some specific task, some specific work order you need to assign. So you can also do like following me and work center. So you can also assign here the specific user as well, as no issue, it will be still work the same. But mostly manufacturing is following the flow, like they are assigning to a specific work center. So no issue, it will be work for both. So it's depend upon your setting. So let me go to the portal side and open. So you will see the details, how it's work and how the functionalities. By default you can see, you can search here with different filters and status. Everything is working. This is the metadata of the production order. When you click on these actions view, you will see all the details of this work order, the component that will be used to consume in this work orders, and the documents attached to this work order, like for the functional flow or the working flow, and the quality checks once it's completed, or you want to any quality checks, so you can assign create from here. So let for example test first, I will start the timesheet. So you can see now it started in the username employee. So employee name and start date time, this will be when we end up in the end. So you will see here, and let's open the components, which component will be used. So this component and their quantity, this quantity will be used, and the status available or not available also here. And the next thing is the documentations. So related to this is store documents, we can download and we can view also, both option is available. So this I am viewing this, so it is working fine. If you want to download also, you can download this, no issue. Currently I am not downloading, so just for you. So the next thing is actually the quality checks. You can record from here. They're already existing these ones. If you open these ones, anyone, you will see the details, everything, the field ones, instructions, notes, and everything, right? So you can see each and everything of these. And let me create a new quality checks to UVC. So any points, quality points that are assigned to these products. And for example, let's pause this and portals test. Okay, portal test, and this we can put like demo test notes. Okay, and let me submit. So you will see here it will come to the November, this one. Okay, 14 November I have done. So this one, let me open, and you can see this all. Okay, and I go to the backend, so I will show you the same things. And to the quality checks, if I go to the quality checks, and I will show you the same things. See here, 4 in progress, but I will show you here. No, let me open. Okay, portal test and demo test. So everything is reflecting correctly and working properly because I have done the testing. So you can find the module here. Let me show you the modules. So on the Odoo App Store it's available. You can find there Odoo App Store, and just I will put portal, floor portal. So I hope it will come. So these ones. Okay, so this is the exact module, and you will find here. So I hope everything is clear. If you have any issue or any concern, so just you can comment or you can DM me, no issue. We can discuss. Thank you.